Hi guys, in this video I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to submit your test using a PDF file instead of a JPEG using the Adobe Scan App, and we'll submit our file through Schoology. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have these two apps downloaded on your phone or your device, whatever you're using. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open the Adobe Scan App. Now when I go in here and I open it up, first time you use it, you may have to fill out some information about yourself. You can just, fill out your school account or your school Google account. But I'm going to find my test, and notice it's going to find it and it's going to take a picture of it for me. All right, so I have more than one page to my test, so I'm going to go down and I'm going to click continue. Now I've already removed that first page out. Now I have my second page up here. It's going to find the corners. I'm just holding it steady and it's taking the picture. Now I'm going to pull that page out. I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. Here is my third page. And then I'll do one more. Just pretend it was a 4-page test. Obviously, I don't have your test on here. This is just a copy of the review. Boom. Now that I have all 4 of my pages, I'm going to click continue one more time. And you'll see at the bottom right corner there, it has a fork, and then you'll see the documents. Go ahead and just click on that. And now you'll see a copy of your scans, right? You have all 4 pages of your document. Now at the top of the screen, you can click on the little pencil, and let's just go ahead and change the name of this. We could say this is, I could say this is Boyd Chapter 4 Test. Obviously, you would use whatever your name is, not my name. So, if you wanted to put your name in front there, you could say, my name was George Washington. I'd put G, maybe put first initial in case there's more than one Washington in the class. And then we'll do Washington, if I can spell it. There we go. Chapter 4 test, right? So we've given it a name, okay. Notice it changed it at the top there. And, we can go through and play around with it, but we don't need to, okay? As long as I can see your problems and they're neat. If your picture is all blurry, then you need to go back and take another photo. Don't really want to have, to try to decipher what you're writing on your test. So now that we've got our photos here, we're good to go. We're going to click on the top right corner where it says Save PDF. I'll say recognizing text, saving as a PDF, and then you'll see it'll pop up onto a list here. Now you want to submit it to me so that I can grade your test. We're going to go into the options here. We see where it says Share. We're going to click on that. And then it's going to say, do you want to share a link, an email, or share a copy? Let's go to Share a Copy. Okay, it's going to give you all your contacts and stuff are here, but you need to go down to your apps, right? And if you don't see Schoology down here in your apps, you're going to go ahead and click on More, and then your Schoology app should be listed under the apps there. I'm going to go into Schoology. All right, so this is George Washington's Chapter 4 test, right? I want to submit to assignment. What assignment do I want to do? Well, I'm going to choose my sample Honors Algebra 2 class. Okay, you probably have a regular Honors Algebra 2 class or an Honors Pre-Calculus class, depending on which class you're in. And then this is the assignment, right? So I'm going to click on my Chapter 4 sample test. It says Upload Submission. I'm going to upload it. And it's done. Okay, so that's the process for uploading it as a PDF. Now I can go through here and look at my course. If I go to my courses, I go to my sample Honors Algebra 2 course. I'll see in my week 17, there was my Chapter 4 test here. I can go in here and view attachments, right? This was the original blank one. If I go over to submissions, right, I can see that my test was submitted. If I click on it, I can even double check to make sure that all of the pages showed up. Since it is a test, I would make sure that I was checking that part of it out. If you have questions about this, please make sure you reach out to me. Thanks for watching.